Hi viewers, my name is Damien and I'm from Street Custom and we're doing a headlight vlog. Okay, over a period of time, the headlight will change because of the halogen bulb. So once you clean your light, you can upgrade to LEDs.
Would you believe us if we told you we can restore your lights from the before picture here and the after picture here?
Prove it! I know I can prove it.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and comment on our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at streetcustoms_. Much love.